When nasal congestion strikes, the sinus cavities become inflamed and filled with thick mucus, making breathing difficult.
This animation highlights severe inflammation, where the sinuses are completely obstructions.
Squeeze the bottle gently. As the saline flows in one nostril, it passes through the sinus cavity and drains naturally out the other side into the sink.
The saline solution circulates through the sinus passages, loosening and removing thick yellow-green mucus, dust particles, pollen. The left side shows inflamed, congested sinuses blocked with mucus. The right side demonstrates clear, open